The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, north central Lexington County in central South Carolina, northwestern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a likely severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Irmo, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. The storm has had some indications of a tornado, but not quite enough for a tornado warning. Remember, severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with little advance warning. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Irmo, Oak Grove, St. Andrews, Blitherwood, Chapin, Peak, Seven Oaks, and Lake Murray of Richland. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 58 and 69. Interstate 26 between mile markers 89 and 110. Interstate 77 between mile markers 22 and 31.